Welcome to my channel. Today's video is gonna be my leg day and my favorite leg day exercises. This workout actually ended up taking 30 minutes to 45 minutes. I was in a really big rush, so I supersetted a lot of the exercises. Supersetting is when you combine two exercises in one set so that tire out your muscles more, but I honestly do it to save time. If you enjoy any part of it and want to see more kind of workouts, let me know in the comments below and like this video. I hope you enjoy, and if you learn something new, subscribe because I have some fit tips too. Okay, I'll go over forms and general tips on how to get the most out of this workout. I was literally sore for 2 or 3 days, as I'm gonna be more honest, 3 or 4 days after this workout. So I feel like it was really good. I just felt really good after this workout, so let's get into it. Leg day is my favorite just because I feel super strong during and after the workout. My first exercises are these box squats. These are perfect for beginners. I do 12 reps and I do 3 sets. The benefit of doing this box squat is that you're going a lot lower than your normal squat, and then when you're at the top, you want to squeeze your butt to prevent any sort of injury. You want to keep your core super tight throughout the whole thing so that your back is flat the entire time. The next exercise we're doing is the Bulgarian split squats. These are a little bit of a variation of a lunge in my opinion. They really work that glute and isolate the posterior side. All you have to do is lift that second leg onto either a chair or a bench and make sure that your knee is not going over your toes. Also, making sure that your knee is always in line with your ankle is super important. Making sure that your knee isn't collapsing inward toward the middle or towards the other side is going to protect your knee. The next exercise I'm doing are the single leg RDLs. They're the Romanian Deadlifts. You should feel this in your hamstring. It will work the posterior chain, so the back side of your legs, forcing that butt to get pushed up. General form tips here is that you want to keep your core engaged here as well and make sure that your back isn't really feeling. You can practice with 2 legs first and then go into the single. I also find that holding on to something for balance is really helpful in just getting the form down. So if you need to hold something for balance, do so. For this exercise, I did 10 reps and 3 sets and supersetted the 2 exercises. The next exercise I'm doing is the hip thrusts that everybody on Instagram loves. Honestly, these hurt the booty so much. They burn. You'll see it in my face here that these literally demolished my glutes. What you want to do is go pretty heavy. When you're going up, you want to squeeze at the top there and make sure that your core is tight and your back isn't overarching at all. It shouldn't be arching at all. Hit 12 reps and 3 sets, and then if you really need, you can do a pigeon stretch like I do because I literally died. The next thing I'm doing is glute extensions. If you can, just stand up straight and push your foot back. It's not a huge range of motion, so you want to start with your leg pulled forward and then move all the way through that hip range. The glutes don't have that big of a range of motion, so if you feel like you're not going high enough, don't worry. If you go a lot higher, it means you're probably using your back and you don't want that. For this exercise, I did 12 reps and 3 sets as well. The last exercise is a quad focused exercise that I got from Debbie Shea. This is the first time for me trying it, and honestly, this exercise killed my quads. I was not expecting it. She supersetted it with a wall sit, but I just did them alone because I was in so much pain, and I did 12 to 15 reps, and every single time I cried and had to stretch. So good luck. What you want to do is try to get your hands as close as possible to that bench and just extend your legs like I am. Bend and extend. That is my quick leg workout for you. I hope you found some useful tips in here for you to take away for your leg days. The only thing that I ended up supersetting was the Romanian deadlift, or the single RDL with the Bulgarian split squats. Really burned my behind. If you have any questions about form or anything like that, let me know in the comments below. I would love to talk about it after the workout. have protein, or you can eat it or drink it, whatever makes you feel good. Be sure to get that protein so that all of those ripped, burnt out muscles can get all the nutrition it needs to grow. Okay, anyways, I'll see you in the next video. Bye. An option to be someone else, I would.